Any doubts are there, Nana? Hello? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Shall I ask the questions now?
Okay, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
The arrangement of organisms into an ascending series of successively large and broader categories so that lower groups are always included in those of higher groups is called the mode of arrangement of organisms into an ascending series of successively large and broader categories so that lower groups are always included in those of higher groups is called systematics, nomenclature, phylogeny, taxonomic hierarchy. Which one is correct?
Sir. Systematic, sir.
Pardon, please?
Systematic.
Wrong.
Taxonomic hierarchy.
Taxonomic hierarchy.
Good morning, sir.
Evolutionary history of an organism is called taxon, phylogeny, taxonomic hierarchy, metabolism.
Phylogeny.
A book one contain actual account of habitat, distribution, and systematic listing of plants. And a book two
Flora.
information for identification of name of species in an area. 1 and 2 books respectively. 1 and 2 respectively.
Flora and manual.
Flora manual, correct. Herbaria and museum contain specimens, where in botanical garden and zoo and herbaria museums contain dash specimens, whereas biological gardens zoos possess dash specimens. Living and living, dead and living, living and dead, dead and dead,
Dead and living.
Dead and living.
dead and living. Okay. A taxonomic aid for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities is called
Key.
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 a unit of classification generally referred as rank, category, taxon, all of these.
Allah.
What, Nana? What you call? A unit of classification generally referred as rank, category, taxon, all of these.
Taxon.
Taxon.
Taxon, no? Anything it is related. Okay, na?
Okay.
Lowest common category in both plant and animal kingdom is
Species.
mango belongs to family.
Hominidae.
Pardon, Nana?
Hominidae.
Anacardiaceae.
Anacardiaceae.
Anacardi. Man belongs to order.
Sapinadales.
Man.
Primata.
Primate.
Families,
this MPL class?
families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included in dash order based on dash.
Floral type.
Which order, Nana?
Polymonial.
Polymonials.
Okay. Which taxons ends with the suffix ales and ac respectively?
Family.
A and ac respectively.
Order and family.
Order and family.
Order and family. Mango belongs to phylum Angiospermae. Angiosperms are flowering plants. How many statements are true?
Both.
Both are correct.
True.
Both are true. Wrong.
Division. It's not phylum.
No, it is not phylum. It is division. Okay, na? For animals we use the phylum. For next division. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the case of animals, related classes are included in closely related animals are included in the
Order.
Please tell me. Closely related classes are included in
Class.
that only I'm telling. In animals, the closely related classes are included under
Order.
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 which one is higher taxon? Class or order?
Class. So phylum.
Class.
Class.
The class included under order. Please you tell me.
No, sir.
Phylum. Asexual reproduction in yeast and hydra is by budding, fission.
Budding.
Budding.
Reproduction is synonymous with growth in multicellular.
Unicellular.
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 The most obvious and technically complicated feature of all living organisms
Ability
is
to sense.
metabolism, sense their surroundings, reproduction, growth.
Sense the surroundings.
Ability to sense.
The response of plants to environmental stimulus is called consciousness,
Consciousness.
Consciousness.
curvature, growth, irritability.
Consciousness.
Irritability. Okay, huh?
Yes, sir.
Surrounding is known as irritability, no?
Okay.
The ability of living organism to be aware of themselves is called.
Consciousness.
Consciousness.
The central question of evolutionary biology today is origin of species diversity, origin of genus diversity, phylogenetic classification, Understanding taxonomic hierarchy.
Origin of species.
Origin of species.
Origin of species means Charles Darwin. Origin of species diversity.
First option.
Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The two defining characters of living organisms are growth and metabolism, metabolism and reproduction, metabolism and response to stimulus, growth and
Metabolism and response to stimulus.
Darwin of 20th century is
Ernest Mayer.
Ernest Mayer.
the defining feature of living organism is reproduction, growth and movement, interaction with the environment, responsiveness.
Response.
Huh? Please tell me.
Response.
Responsiveness. In plants, cell division occurs, dash, whereas in animals it occurs.
Continuously throughout life in plants.
Okay.
In animals up to a certain stage in their life cycle.
Correct. Now. Planaria reproduces by
Through regeneration.
To regeneration.
fungi, binary fission, asexual
Budding and
spore,
fertility.
Sexual spores.
yeast,
Budding.
Budding.
amoeba, true regeneration, budding, asexual spore, binary fission. Amoeba. Now.
Binary fission.
Binary fission.
Which of the following organisms which multiply by fragmentation? Earthworm, amoeba, fungi, earthworm, fungi and bacteria, fungi, filamentous algae, protonema of mosses.
Yes, sir.
That only?
Fungi, filamentous
Yes, sir.
algae, and
Proton.
Protonema massif.
The correct statement regarding the response of living organism to external stimuli is the external environmental stimuli can be physical, chemical, or biological. Right or wrong?
True, sir.
Yes, sir.
All organisms from prokaryotes to most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental stimuli. All organisms from prokaryotes to most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental stimuli.
True, sir.
Consciousness and response to external stimulus is the defining property of living organisms.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Continuity of species generations after generation. This illustrates the role of embryogenesis, replication, reproduction, morphogenesis. Continuity of species.
Reproduction.
Reproduction.
First step in taxonomy is description of the organism, identification of the organism, nomenclature,
Identification.
identification. First characterization
Characterization.
means description, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no, as per your book. If it is not there, then your answer is correct. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Description of the organism is not there, means identification of organism, that is correct. Linnaeus described species of planetarium, species of plants in this book, and species of animals in this book. What are those two books?
System and nature.
And species plantarum.
Wrong. For plant species plantarum, Systema Naturae animals. Okay, na?
Yes.
ICBN, full form,
International Code for
Code of
Botanical
Botanical
Nomenclature.
botanical, binomial.
Botanical.
Botanic.
The following is not a goal of biological classification. To depict convergent evolution, to clarify relationships among organisms, to help us remember organisms and their traits, to identify and name organisms. The following is not a goal of biological classification. To depict convergent evolution, to clarify relationships among organisms, to help us remembering organisms and their traits, to identify and name organisms.
The third option.
Third one, sir.
Third one is related. It helps us in remember organisms and their traits, characters, identification. Convergent evolution. Okay, na?
Okay.
Most names in biological nomenclature of living organisms are taken from
Latin.
Latin. Carolus Linnaeus belongs to France, Germany, Sweden, Holland.
Sweden.
Sweden.
The main purpose of classification of organisms to study geography, locate plants and animals, establish relationship among organisms, study evolution.
Study evolution.
No. To establish relationship among organisms. Okay, na? Linnaeus system of classification was based on morphology, ecology, embryology, cytology.
Morphology.
Pardon, please?
Morphology.
Morphology. The main objective of plant taxonomy is to study the world's flora, to provide a method for identification, nomenclature, to provide Latin scientific names for every group of plants in the world. All of this. Answer is all of this. Okay, na?
Okay.
In a taxonomic hierarchy, family is interpolated between kingdom and class, class and order, order and genus, class and genus. No.
Order and genus.
Order and genus.
Select the mismatched pair. Panthera leo belongs to Mammalia. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Musca domestica. Common house lizard, a reptile.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Housefly.
Birds taxonomically represented family, order, class, family, phylum.
Yes, sir.
Which one, Anna? The birds taxonomically represent the family, order, class, phylum.
Class.
Yes, class. Which one is the odd one in the following series? Sapiens, Americana, Rotundus, Hemidactylus. Sapiens, Americana, Rotundus, Hemidactylus. Which one is odd? In this case, 3 are species. Which one is not a species among the 4?
Sir, can you repeat the names?
Siphon, Americana, Rotundus, Hemidactylus.
Americano.
I gave Americana. Is the species.
The siphon. Siphon, sir.
Pardon? Siphon, Homo siphon. Siphon is a species. Yes or no?
Okay.
Hemidactylus. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
This suffix oida is used for tribe, family, class, subfamily.
Family.
Which one, Nana?
Subfamily.
Okay. Select the incorrect statement. All animals belongs to various phyla are assigned to the kingdom Animalia. Right or wrong? Nana.
True, sir.
True, sir.
So, as we go higher from species to kingdom, number of common characteristics goes on increasing.
No, sir.
False, sir.
Select correct statement from the following. Herbarium is the storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed, and preserved on sheets.
True.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Flora provide index of the plant species found in a particular area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Monographs contain information of only one taxon.
Yes.
True, sir.
Okay, correct. Botanical gardens mainly serve the purpose of providing beautiful area for recreation, reservoir of tropical plants, to conservation of germplasm, natural habitat for wildlife.
Executive
Executive
conservation.
Match the following. Family. Tuberosum, Polymonium, Solanum, Plantae, Solanaceae.
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 Kingdom. Tuberosum, Polymonium, Solanum, Plantae.
Plantae.
Okay.
Order.
Polymonium.
Species.
Tuberose.
Genus.
Solanum.
Solanum.
Solana.
Genus represent an individual plant or animal, a collection of plants or animals, a group of closely related species of plants or animals, none of these.
A group of
Closely
closely
related plants.
Species.
Answer.
The term systematic refers to
Evolutionary relation.
the identification and study of organ systems, identification, preservation of plants and animals, diversity of kinds of organisms and their relationships, study of habitats of organism and their classification.
First option.
Third option.
Third option. Diversity of different organisms and their relationships. Okay, na? Who proposed 5 kingdom system of classification and 7 6 system of classification respectively?
Carlos,
R.H. Whittaker and Carlos.
Whittaker and Carlos.
Okay, Whittaker 5 kingdom classification is based on complexity of cell structure, that is prokaryotes and eukaryotes, right or wrong?
True, sir.
Complexity of body structure, unicellular or multicellular?
True.
True, sir.
Mode of nutrition, autotrophs or heterotrophs?
Yes, sir.
True,
True,
sir.
sir.
Ecological status,
False, sir.
decomposers, producers, consumers?
False.
False, sir.
No, correct only. Kingdom of decomposers are fungi. Kingdom of producers, plant. Kingdom of consumers,
Plant.
animal. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Phylogenetic relationship.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
True, sir.
All. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Unicellular prokaryotes are.
Monero.
Monera.
Monera.
Unicellular eukaryotes are.
Protista.
Protista.
Multicellular heterotrophic eukaryotes with chitinous cell wall.
Fungi.
Fungi.
Multicellular heterotrophic eukaryotes without cell wall.
Plante.
Animalia.
Animalia.
Multicellular autotrophic eukaryotes with plastids.
Plante.
Plante.
Pick out the correct statements. Peptidoglycan, eubacteria and actinomycetes.
Yes, sir.
Pseudomurine, archaebacteria.
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
Is wrong, huh?
True, sir.
True. Mycolic acid, actinomycetes.
True.
All of these. All are correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In Whittaker's 5 kingdom system of classification, eukaryotes are distributed among 2 kingdoms, 3 kingdoms, 4 kingdoms, or 5 kingdoms.
Four
Four
kingdoms.
kingdoms.
Two kingdoms.
4 kingdoms. Okay, na? Except Monera. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chlorophyllous groups are present in Monera, Protista, Plante. How many are correct?
2.
All
True.
three.
Two.
Which two?
Protista and
Monera.
Plante.
Monera, Protista, and Plante. Okay, na?
All 3, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Bacterial chlorophyll is present in photosynthetic bacteria. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kohlhu's 6 kingdom classification. The ratio of prokaryotic and eukaryotic kingdoms are
1:3.
1:2, 2:3, 1:4, 2:4.
2:4.
Hmm?
2:4.
2:4. The following characters serve as a criteria for 5 kingdom system of classification as used by R.H. Whittaker: cell structure and body organization,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
mode of nutrition and reproduction,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
phylogenetic relationships.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All of these.
All
All
of
of
them.
these.
All of these.
One of the following is incorrect statement regarding mycoplasma. They are wall-less pleomorphic prokaryotes.
True, sir.
Wall-less pleomorphic prokaryotes. Correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
They are smallest living cells.
Yes.
True, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
They are pathogenic to plants, animals, including human beings.
Yes, sir.
True, sir.
They cannot survive without oxygen.
False.
False.
Anaerobic sometimes.
In which of the following CO2 fixation or nitrogen fixation, O2 fixation occur? Okay, na?
Yes.
A. Nostoc. B.
Nitro-
Anabina. C. Rhizobium. D. Both 1 and 2.
Both one and
Both 1 and 2.
Both. The specialized thick-wall cell of Anabina or Nostoc in which nitrogen fixation occurs is known as.
heterocyst.
All cells of Nostoc are green and chlorophyllous.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Heterocysts are achlorophyllous. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Incorrect statement regarding the structure of bacterial cell. Cell possesses snaked cellular DNA, which is folded to form nucleoid. Hmm? Right or wrong?
Right.
Cells, cells are surrounded by peptidoglycan, cell wall, and mucilaginous sheath. Cells are surrounded by cells are surrounded by peptidoglycan cell wall and a mucilaginous sheath. Right or wrong?
It's
Correct. Cell possess well-developed membrane-bound organelles.
no, sir.
No.
Wrong. How many statements are true? Bacteria are sole members of kingdom Monera.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Bacteria are most abundant microorganisms.
True, sir. True,
No, sir.
Most abundant bacteria are chemoheterotrophs. Saprophytes are decomposers.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Gametic fusion, meiosis, zygote formation is absent in the life cycle of prokaryotes.
False.
Correct.
True, sir.
You know? Now you prepare any doubts are there, you can ask. Tomorrow I will ask other questions. Okay, na? Today I ask a simple question. Tomorrow I will ask very difficult questions. Please, each and every student thoroughly prepare, Nana. Please, I am not happy. Only few students are responding, others are not at all responding. Please respond whether it's a right or wrong. Nothing wrong, no, Nana. Prepare well now. Any doubts you can ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nana, mute.
Excuse me, sir.
No, no.
Sir, we are MPL students and we did not have any class this week. Can you once revise Living World chapter? Sir,
Which one? Which chapter?
Living World.
This week we didn't have any class, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the first year, it didn't have this class. Huh? No. When you are in first year, this chapter was not completed. Anna?
Yes, sir. Done, but taxonomical aids was left, sir.
Yes, sir.
Economical aids was left. Anna.
Yes, sir. It was under deleted portion, so we didn't cover that.
Can't you read the yourself? Nothing is there. No. Taxonomical aids. Okay. For which verb they are used? Okay. Taxonomical aids mainly helps in identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. This is used both in plants and animals, not restricted to only plants or not restricted to only animals. It is restricted to both plants and animals. Okay, na? There are different types of taxonomic aids. In the beginning class, I discussed the taxonomic aids consists of basically broadly classified into three basic things. What are those? Can you guess? What are the three terms I used? What are those three terms in taxonomic aids? Derivation, preservation. Preservation means it concerned with what now? Dead specimens. It mainly includes herbarium, and museums. Okay, now? Did I explain this one? Next, conservation. This conservation mainly includes living.
जो डब्बा रखा हुआ है सोने वाला
This includes botanical gardens.
लगा दो अभी
Botanical gardens and zoological parks. Okay, now?
Yes.
Literature. Means books, Nana. Which includes floras, manuals, monographs. So whatever I mentioned, these are taxonomical aids. Herbarium, museum, botanical garden, zoological park, flora, man, monographs. Who is that place? Okay. Now. First, we discuss about the herbarium. It is a repository. Repository means storehouse. Which house, Nana? Store. house of dried plant specimens. Plant specimens. Which is the storehouse of plant specimens or repository of plant specimens? Your answer should be the herbarium. Okay, na? So this herbarium includes collection. After collecting the plant specimen, they are dried, pressed, and mounted on a fixed on a paper like this. Okay, now this paper herbarium sheet towards here you are mounting the plant, a twig. This is the dried plant specimen. And one side it contains common name of the plant, botanical name of the plant, family name to which family it belongs, date of collection, on which date it was collected, and place of collection, in which place it was collected, and collector name, who collected this plant, collector name. So these all are written one side on the herbarium sheet. So herbarium is a quick referral system in taxonomic studies, which is a quick referral system in taxonomic studies of plants. Means your answer should be the herbarium. So these herbarium sheets are arranged according to universally accepted system of classification. This is very important. How herbariums are sheets are arranged according to the universally accepted system of classification. And this herbarium sheet, they contain description of on herbarium sheets with respect to what, Nana? A label is present. That label towards one side, that label contain compound name, botanical name, family name, date of collection of the plant species, and place of collection, collector name, etc. And this is a completely dried one, Nana. So it is completely dried. That you should remember. It is a completely dried. Okay, na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
And one more important thing here, to protect from the fungal infection, etc. These herbarium sheets are treated with 0.1% of mercury chloride. Okay, na?
Yes,
These
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
liquid, no? So infection may occur. To protect from that, they are treated with 0.1% of mercury chloride. And you can ask it out, sir, what is the standard size of the herbarium sheet? According to international standard, the size of the herbarium sheet is 42 into 98 centimeters. How much, Nana? Sorry, 42 into 29 centimeters. Okay, na?
Yes.
Next, go for the museums. What are museums, Nana? Can you guess museums? Biological museums are set up in educational institutions like schools, colleges, universities. Yes or no, Nana?
Yes.
So where the museums are set up? Educational institutions. It includes schools, colleges, universities, etc. And these museums have got a collection of preserved plants and animal specimens for study and reference. And these plant specimens and animal specimens are preserved in a chemical solution. That chemical solution is prepared by 5% of formalin and 70% of alcohol. In this chemical, the plant specimens, animal specimens are stored, preserved for reference and study. But that is depending upon the organism. For example, birds are there, certain animals. Museums also contain stuffed animals. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Stuffed. Can you give examples stuffed animals? Birds, cats, dogs, etc. Yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the dried animals are also there in showcases. Dried animals. In museums, dried animals are there in showcases. They are kept in show. You might have seen it in showcases. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like it includes insects, echinoderms, etc. And museums are also contain skeletons. Human skeletons, other animal skeletons, big animal skeletons also. Museums they maintain. This is about the museums. Okay, na? Insects can be preserved in insect boxes. Where insects can be preserved in insect boxes. How they can be preserved in insect boxes? By killing and pinning. How? After collection, they will kill by killing and pinning for insects. This you remember. So that means both herbarium museum contain dead. Next, conservation, botanical garden and zoological park. Botanical gardens means, Nana, what does it contain? These are specialized gardens, a collection of dead plants, living plants for reference. Nana.
Living plant.
Plants
plant.
reference.
So, botanical gardens are specialized gardens that have collections of living plants for study and reference. Botanical gardens are mainly grown for not for recreation, mainly for the identification purposes of plants. And those plants are labeled with a common name, scientific name, and to family to which it belongs. And largest in India, largest botanical garden is Royal Botanical Garden. Which is the largest botanical garden in the world?
Royal Botanical Garden.
It is where it is located? Kew.
England.
It is in England. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
And in India, can you tell
Indian Botanical Garden.
which one, Anna?
Indian Botanical Garden.
Indian Botanical Garden. Where it is located?
Aura.
Aura. NBRI. NBRI means
National Botanical Research Institute.
where it is located?
Lucknow.
This they will ask. Okay, na? This
Yes.
is very, very important. Next, zoo parks. So zoo parks, in this case, animals are kept in protected environment under human management. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Zoo parks means that contain a collection of wild animals. A collection of which kind of animals? Mainly wild animals. It contains a collection of wild animals and that are kept in protected environment under human management or human care. And that also helps us to understand the food habits and behavior of animals. In what purpose zoological parks are useful? They help us to understand what are the food habits of different kinds of wild animals and their behavior. Okay, na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Secondly, indirectly it also helps in the recreation for the children. Okay, na?
Yes.
And what is the next one? So that means both botanical gardens and zoological parks have collection of endemic and exotic living species, both endemic and exotic living species, that you remember. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next one is the literature, no? Books, third category, I mean. What does that literature mainly includes? What is the first one I written, Nana? Keys.
Flora.
Oh, floras. What is flora? Please tell me. This flora is a book. Flora is a book that contains written information about habitat and distribution of plants of a given area. What is flora? Flora is a book, Nana. That book contains an account of habitat and distribution of plants in a particular area or a region. That is known as a flora. Okay, first we go for the keys. Keys helps in identifications based on characteristics. Keys helps in identification of organisms based on characteristic features. And the key is a taxonomical head that helps in identification of both plants and animals, both plants and animals. Not only plants or only animals, wrong. So key is the taxonomical aid that is used for identification of plant and animal based on, this is important, based on similarities and dissimilarities. Similarities and dissimilarities. Which type of taxonomic helps in identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities? Means what is your answer? Nana?
Keys.
Keys. And keys are based on contrasting characters. Based on which character?
Contrast.
Contrasting characters. Contrasting characters. These contrasting characters means a pair of contrasting character known as couplet or doublet.
Couplet.
Couplet.
And each statement of couplet is known as
Lead.
each statement lead, which include rejection and as well as
Acceptance.
act. For example, you collected the 5 plants. How many plants, Nana? 5. First, you are seeing the root system. Some plants are showing the taproot system. Some plants are showing the
Fibrous.
fibrous. So out of 5, 3 plants are showing taproot system, and 2 plants are showing. So which character you consider? What is the character? This is one. Second, you are looking for the venation. Out of 5 plants, 3 plants are showing which venation?
Reticle.
And 2 plants are showing.
Parallel.
Now you tell me here which character you have seen in the first case? Type of root system, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second case, type of venation, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here, a character is represented by
A pair of contrasting characters.
Pair. Taproot system or adventitious system. These are contrasting characters, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then a pair are present. Hence the name
Couplet.
couplet. Here acceptance and rejection is there, no? Out of 5 plants, Taproot system which are showing acceptance is there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which are not showing Taproot system. So rejection is there. Rejected plants kept in one group. Accepted plants kept in another group. So these plants become dicot. Dicot shows
Taproot.
Taproot system.
reticulate
Reticulate
venation,
venation.
fibrous root system, and parallel venation.
Mono.
So these are else in the identification of plants, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir.
No, you identified out of 5 plants, 3 are dicots, 2 are.
Monocot.
Monocot.
So this is based on a pair of contrasting characters, no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And this pair is known as,
Couplet.
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 and each statement is known as.
Lead.
Lead.
Taproot system is a,
Lead.
fibrous root system is a,
Lead.
followed up.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is next one? So that means keys are analytical in nature, no?
Yes.
You are analyzing, no. Which is taproot system, which is fibrous system, which is reticulate venation, which one is showing parallel venation? Yes or no, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next, fruit flora means already I told you. It is a book that contains an account of habitat and distribution of plants of particular area or given area is known as a flora. What are manuals, Nana? What are manuals? Manuals are mainly concerned with
Only one tag.
nomenclature, naming of species. Okay, na?
Yes.
So
Sir.
manual is a book. That book useful in providing the information of identification of names of
Species.
Species.
names of species. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Monograph. Monograph means mono means
One.
One.
one. So it contain information of any one taxon.
One taxon, yes.
Anyone. It may be a species, it may be a genus, it may be a family, it may be an order, it may be a class, it may be a division, it may be a kingdom. Are you following, Nana? Anyone. A monograph, a book that contains information of any one taxon. Okay, now? One more is there, catalog. What is the name? Catalog.
Catalog.
Catalog. It is an order list of plants and animals with brief description. What is that, Nana? It is an order of list of plants and animals with brief description that helps in identification of plants and animals. But it is like a dictionary. Are you following, Nana? It is.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So suppose if I want to know the meaning of goat, so I should turn to the page. It start with
G.
G.
G. Then first I will come
Oh.
O.
A. Yes or no?
O, sir.
Oh, sir.
GA, GB, GC, GD. Last I will get up to
Geo.
So
Yes,
suppose
sir.
the GA start with page number 520. So this may be around 535, no?
Yes, sir.
After go, I am getting the go. Oh, Geo go. Next I am getting Goa. It is the name of the place. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In 540 page, I am getting the meaning of good. Means how they arrange plant specimens based on alphabetical order. No. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or not?
Yes, sir.
That is catalog. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enough. Tomorrow I will ask the question. Please be prepared and come. Okay?
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye now.